Hello, Red here. Today is August the 16th, 2011. This is my lawn tractor that you guys will probably want to see for 3 days now, or 4 months, or how long you've been watching this fucking channel for. I don't fucking know. But anyways, this is the lawn tractor that goes 53 miles per hour without racing fuel. With racing fuel, 65. Now, I'm going to show you how I did all this. Anyways, here it is. Me off of it. Now, I got my horn right there. Got my fucking amazing Torrance pipe exhaust. There's my gas pedal. See, I had to take off the governor because it gives me more horsepower. And I don't know if you can see it, but that says 12 horsepower right there. But it's not. It's 11. It's only 11. That's basically pretty much that you can basically see of it. The other thing I did, I have a 1.5 inch pulley in the back here, and I have 8.5 inch in front. So that gives me more top speed rather than acceleration. But other than that, she's okay. Now, for a loudness, it's probably fucking loud as shit. And we'll just start up here.
Give her a rev too.
Push the clutch. Turn it. I don't know if you could hear me right now during that video, but I said when it went loud it was with the foot pedal, but probably couldn't hear me. Anyways, so there she is. And I'll turn around because she's a bit staggered too. I don't know if you guys see that or not. She's a bit staggered to the fucking left. I don't know, fucking left, I guess. Thank you, Josh. And anyways, so yeah, because when I want to take those fucking nice tight corners, I want to get in there real fucking fast rather than tipping her, but she'll still tip. Anyways, by the way, see, that's the mailman. Or whoever the fuck it is. This is my fucking roll bar for my hip. But I think this would probably break my hip rather than save that. And yeah, so that's it. Now, I'm going to now end this video because I need to
Do top speed run.
do top speed run, drive the shit out of it. So anyways, see you next time.